So editing Chelsea here, still trying to get some of this makeup off from this makeup look, but I wasn't in focus at all for the intro. So we don't have an intro, so I'm doing it right now. Hi, how are you? I messed up my intro. I'm Chelsea.Corrine. Thanks for stumbling upon my channel. If this is your first time here, well, welcome. If this isn't your first time here, well, welcome back. Thanks for coming back today. We are attempting a Gamora look inspired by, of course, Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy, Avengers, all that jazz. Comment down below any other characters you want to see makeup looks inspired by. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and without further ado, the actual video that I didn't mess up on. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Morphe. It's a Y16, so I guess it would be an M16 now. And this is an old palette. It is the Cover Shop Bold Eye palette, and I'm going to use the shade Sell Out, which is a green shade. And I'm going to lightly put that all over my eye. So we got a big fluffy brush because we don't want to put too much. Well, I mean, we want a lot, but we don't want to go in super heavy at first. And we're just gonna blend it all out. Clearly need a lot of green for this look. So do we think Gamora is, like, past Gamora is alive in the current timeline in the MCU? I'm saying yes. I'm saying she did not get affected by the second snap. Well, I guess technically third snap, since Hulk did it as well. I don't think she got affected by Iron Man snap. I think she got out of it, because I think they're gonna find her in Guardians 3. I'm going to take this smaller brush, I don't know what this is, but it was some sunbox, and then go into that same green, just pack it on a little bit stronger in the crease. This is what happens when you only have one matte green shade. I'm just taking that original brush and blending it and blurring those lines a bit. And then with an even smaller brush, the same green. And I'm actually going to put that all over the lid itself. We are going to cover it, but I want that to be my base, is that green. It's so bright and vibrant. Okay, so now that we have our base for the green, I'm going to take Conspiracy from the Conspiracy palette. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put that on the lid. I think it should be a good green. Yeah, it's just going to give us that shine, but I still wanted to keep that green underneath. I'm going to cover the whole lid in that green. And then we're going to go into Illuminati, which is a really dark green. And go on the outside of this, like the inner and outer corners. Totally touch another shade. That would have ended badly. Okay. I'm doing it with my fingers to really control where we're at. Giving a very halo effect. There's green all over my under eye. Oops. I am going to go in with my Riders here, which is the black shade, just to deepen up out here a little bit. Just a teensy bit. I'm going to go here, and then we're going to blend it like this. Place the color and then blend it. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. To replicate some of Gamora's silver, I'm going to take this small little Morphe brush and Diet Cola, which is the silver shade from the Conspiracy palette. And we're going to get a lot on there. And we are just going to go, I have an idea, but I don't know if it's going to work. Yes, right in the crease with it. Just to like cut it out with some silver. But I just want to give the effect of all of her, I guess those are pieces of metal on her. I actually kind of like it thicker so that it really stands out. I'm also going to stick it in my inner corner. We can actually connect that. And now I'm going to take the, what was that before, the Y20, and get that green on it and run it underneath. I'm taking that little Morphe brush again and just hitting that outer, right along the lash line with some black. Just to define my lower lash line a little bit. And it's still mixing with the silver, so it's giving it some reflectiveness. We're going to do the same thing on the upper lash line. I'll smudge some of the black in. I'm going to go and put some false lashes and mascara on, and I'll be right back. So we added some lashes, and I also went ahead and like brought the silver down here as well. I do want to add like a rhinestone, so I have my rhinestones here. Let's pick the right size. A little bit of lash glue. I do have a wax thing somewhere, a wax stick for these, but there we go. That right in the center. Let's grab another one that side for the other one, and then I'm going to take a small one and put it underneath. Taking the next size down, and I'm going to put that underneath, and I actually might put a third one. Who knows? We'll see. There we go, and one more. I love the rhinestones a lot. I think they're great. Just adds a little bit of a robotic, like, glam look is what I'm going with. So I don't have any black lipstick, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with black eyeshadow and then green eyeshadow on my lips. And I'm wetting another brush, and I'm going to take that green shade we've been using from the Smashbox palette, getting a lot on there, and doing the green in the middle. I'm just blending it with my finger a bit too. Just adding some shadow in the center of my lips. So I'm going to go ahead and stick a little bit more, because I did off camera. Some silver on the lips as well. So we've got green, we've got the silver, and it's definitely very like intense and like badass. And to add more silver to the look, I am going to take that Diet Cola on my highlight brush and highlight in silver. So we just really play up the fact that Gamora is covered in silver. We're gonna like, whoa. And this is instead of adding in those silver lines that she has all over her face, like above her. Well, she has them on her cheekbones and stuff like that. We're just gonna add them to where I would add highlight. Give myself a robotic look. What do you think of this final Gamora look? We've got green, we've got silver, we've got like a very vampy, badass lip, we've got rhinestones and some silver, we have got it all. Comment it down below what you think. If you have another character you want me to do an inspired look, well, comment that down below. I've done Joker, Harley Quinn, who else have we done? I don't even know. I don't remember. Doctor Who, but that was a long time ago. So we've done Star Wars, more of like a C-3PO kind of inspired look. So I'm into doing very geeky inspired looks. Comment it down all below. Like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you back here for another video. Mondays are makeup, Tuesdays and Thursdays are kids story times while we're in quarantine, and on Wednesdays it's food, Fridays it's podcast. So we do a lot here on this channel, so stay subscribed so you know what we're doing. And that is that. Bye guys.